What up, peeps? We out here in Philly, pranking it up again with Dennis Rohde out here. Today's prank that we're using is the baby. Last night, like you guys saw, we had to maybe do the hologram one again tonight. We're busy, man. We out here pranking a lot. So, oh, and I pranked Gina yesterday, and I didn't think it was that big of a deal, but I put it on Facebook. You guys went crazy. I'm like, wow, that is a pretty funny prank.
Yeah, Jesse said some nasty thing on Snapchat. I am not flexing your butthole, by the way.
If you get 100,000 likes on that prank I posted on PvP.
That'll probably hurt you.
Some people are like, you wouldn't do that. You already have done that on the internet.
Yeah, but it wasn't your butthole.
Oh, I don't know. I agree. I kind of agreed to that as a joke, but now you know it has like 30,000 likes, and they might have to. I don't know. I hope you guys don't make it. I honestly do. I'm gonna regret that. Did the baby pee on you?
Oh shit.
So go. She would have beat you up if a baby peed on you?
She's a better deal. You're about to get stuck right about now.
People in Philly will stick you if your baby accidentally pees on them. So now you guys know the prank. Let me show the baby.
Jacob.
And then he pees. So let's see what kind of reactions we get in Philly.
That's real?
Yeah, he's a pisser. No, it's a doll.
It's a doll.
Excuse me, give me.
We just ran into some PV peeps right here.
Oh, and they all got the hair Jordans on. Okay. Okay, this peep knows the handshake. Boom, boom, boom. He even knows the foot.
Yep, he knew the whole handshake. That's what's up. Nice meeting you. What's your name? Steven.
Manny.
Nice to meet you guys.
Now the baby pee prank turned into baby crazy prank.
Yeah.
We're learning to get more reactions if I just throw the baby straight up in the air.
Well, you don't hold him by his head. Whoa, that was sick. Wow. Oh my god, wow. Baby. You thought it was a real baby?
Yeah, it really does.
That's why I love pranking. People are always so happy. Look at her cracking up there. It's fun. I like to see people happy. These breakdancers are killing it right here.
Yeah, they're flipping around like
they're doing good.
warriors, ninjas.
He's gonna flip over the baby right now. Nice job. So we walked inside the middle of City Hall right now. We noticed that they just painted this new thing on the ground. It's pretty. I'm trying to see. Oh, it's a compass. It was hard to see because it's so big. But yeah, it looks like a compass. Jesse's over there about to prank somebody. Oh, he's throwing the baby. Oh, she didn't catch it. She looks pissed. She's like, why are you throwing shit at me? Look, there's the news truck. Gonna prank in front of the news.
We really did a number on Philly today with Jacob here. He was a really good sport. Hopefully you guys don't get too offended by this.
It's a baby doll.
It's a doll. So
Everybody.
when they see the prank, they get scared and then they laugh about it. So every person we pranked with, they all thought it was hilarious.
Yeah, but there was one reaction when Gina
Oh, because that's a different.
almost got beat up by an old lady.
That was a different. That wasn't us doing that. It was like the baby peeing on her, and she got upset.
She was so mad.
She was like, "You better get your baby in check. If that baby pisses on me, bitch."
She did. She called me a bitch.
Yeah, no. You're like, Dennis is like, he's a pisser. She's like, you're a pisser.
Did she say that? I forgot.
Yeah.
I'm trying to give Dennis a taste of his own medicine. He's always doing it to everybody.
Oh, you lost.
Didn't
Look, this
work.
baby looks like me a little bit.
You have a photo with him? That's funny.
It's pretty amazing, Jacob. I just like got it something.
Wow.
Jacob, you're doing good. You're
Don't
doing
drop
so good,
him. Don't
Jacob.
drop him. Don't drop him.
He's a yoga. He does yoga. I can't believe he falls asleep like that.
Give him support in case he falls.
He won't fall. A baby. Just flip.
Flip it, flip it, flip it. This guy's like,
I'm putting you on the news.
I didn't do it. It's not illegal.
Jesse's on the other side of the window. He's gonna do a prank. Oh, are they looking? Do they spot it?
Alright, we've been pranking all day, peeps. I'm exhausted.
Riding by a whole biker crew. Oh, these bikes. Oh, there's a chick there too. That's cool. Oh, that's it? It was only them? I thought there were more. Snap, someone's in there? That's so little. Wow. That's so cool. It looks like a toy. So cool. I want one of those. Oh my god. Where's he going? He's going the wrong way.
He stalled.
He's trying to prank somebody by looking like he's going the wrong way, I guess. I know, I like it.
Take it on the highway.
That wouldn't last on a highway. I was just falling asleep on the couch and they were trying to prank me. But they think I'm still sleeping. I'm gonna get them.
I hate you. I hate you.
What if you fell off the chair?
Oh my god, you would have made me fall out.
Oh, nice.
Sorry. Sorry.
Damn. Did I fall for it?
Yeah,
You
you
gotta
did.
do your
You
choice.
did. Look, he's still doing it. He's
Poor
still
guy,
pulling
sleep.
your-
Go to sleep,
Yeah,
brother.
bro.
Go to sleep. Come on. Ugh. Talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah, bro.
Look, Bamboo is so scared. Oh my god.
Hello, wanna get on?
Oh no, he's
Come
scared,
here,
Jesse.
Bobo.
Don't hurt him.
Come here.
He's like, what the fuck is that? Jesse, those lights are super bright.
The real test is, can you do it one-footed?
Don't, please don't. Please, because if it goes flying, you're gonna fuck something up.
Wanna try? Ooh, 1 foot.
I never tried one yet. I'm kind of scared.
1 footed. It's easier with no shoes on. Actually. You've never tried this?
No, never.
Hey, you gotta try it right now.
I'm so tired, dude.
Just
I will
try it,
fall
please.
because I'm
Just
sleepy.
Try it. No, just try it.
1, 2.
Okay. Let's bend your knees. Bend your knees. Relax. Bend your knees. Relax.
I don't want to
Okay.
move
You
them.
lean your forward.
No.
You lean your feet forward to go forward. Gina learned how to spin.
I don't even know how to do it, but I'm spinning and it's going faster and faster. Oh my god, stop me.
Can you stop? You don't know how to stop? Wait, do you know how to stop? Are you stuck? Please tell me you're not stuck. You can't stop. You can't stop. Nuh-uh. Are you really stuck? Are you really stuck? Were you really? Let's jump off. 1, 2, 1, 2, real quick. 1, 2. I'm trying to tell you, 1, 2. Get your foot off. Get your foot off. Jesus. Why'd you keep your foot on it when you came off?
I don't know, I don't know. That's really weird.
That was the funniest thing I've seen today.
I want to try again. How it wouldn't stop at all. Like I just kept spinning.
It was so funny watching you go like this. Help me! Help me! Help me!
Did I look like I was going slow? But
You were going pretty quickly. Like that made
I
me
knew it was
dizzy.
going faster and faster. My head felt like this.
So we filmed a lot today. We did a lot with that baby. Hopefully we got a really funny public prank. We haven't done one of these public pranks in a while. And I'm really excited to still do the hologram prank. We weren't able to do it tonight because we got so tired. But maybe tomorrow. So Phil, you're not safe. Also, I put up that prank. Damn, we've been going crazy with the pranks. But as you guys seen yesterday, I pranked Gina in the car, which was really funny. And I decided to put it on Prank vs. Prank because I thought it was such a funny short video that would be very shareable and didn't want to be attached to a vlog. So I put it on Prank vs. Prank, and if you haven't seen it, you should. Go share it everywhere because I think it was hilarious, and I definitely have the belt. I'm like 4 up on Gina right now. I'm not.
No way.
Yeah, I'm like 4 up on you, girl. You gotta get your prank game up. I'm crushing you.
Back somehow. Ooh.
I made a stupid deal. Well, I I made a silly deal with you guys, and hopefully it doesn't happen, but I challenge you guys if the prank gets 100,000 likes. I said something funny, and I said I let Gina wax my butthole. You guys are pretty close. This might have to happen. So you guys know. So go over to the prank, check it out, and yeah, we'll see you guys. What are you doing?
Thank you.
That's not a prank. You dumped a whole bucket of cold water on my head. Water fight, Jamie?
They're empty. I already emptied them. I was gonna get you. That's why I didn't have them yet.
Oh, I didn't forget about the top 20 comments, peeps. All my Dope Fresh Nation generals that are trying to get up in the squad. This might be a problem though, guys. There is, I just looked at it recently because I was looking for the top comment, and you guys got 24,000 comments. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get to the freaking
Oh wait, what about that? News first. Oh,
newest first? So how do I get through 20,000 comments?
2 minutes.
Oh my God, guys, I don't know how. Damn, I feel so bad because I know there's 20 of you guys that made it. How am I gonna get to 20,000 comments? All right, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna scroll through 20,000 comments. Give me a minute.
6.5 hours later.
Guys, we just spent a whole bunch of time scrolling through 20,000 comments, and it only let me get to 3 hours back. So what I'll have to do tomorrow is I'll do it again, but I'm gonna sit there when a video first uploads. I'm gonna film it right then and there. First 20 comments are.
This is odd though, because it's not in order, but you put newest first. This is 329.
Yeah, like I went to the. There's no more. I can't load any more comments. So we got Killer Unboxer, Aaron, Loot3R123, Love Summer 2013. Whoa, that is a long name.
Karamer.
Labs Chicken and Jenna Marbles. Marples. Aaron Johnson, Inspiring Blue, Titan 669, Celine Griffin, Live Life to the Fullest. I like that one. Anderson Lopez.
Rachel Ianicello.
Girl Love J. Ricky, Fab, Dandy, Aaron, Miguel, Margel, Jesus, Alexis, Sarah. Alright, that's about 20. It's not fair. They weren't the official first 20 comments, so I'll have to do it again when I first upload. I apologize, my Dope Fresh Nation. But I love this game, and I love you guys for being Going Hamburger and getting there first.
Oh no, my phone just died!
Oh, you'll have to show it tomorrow.
Oh, that's horrible.
It was Mel, wasn't it? It was Mel.
Darn it. Oh.
Alright, so if you're a hardcore Dope Fresh Nation peep and you made it to the very end of this video, check in by hitting the thumbs up button, troops, and we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Peace on the street, son.